Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to this channel. I periodically post biblical issues on this channel. At the same time, I do post music because once you go to church, in church there is choir time and there is always preaching time. So I get involved in both. So it makes me happy, it makes me excited that I serve people through preaching and singing at the same time, playing my guitar. So in the African churches, possibly any church you go, you will find such a song. And don't forget about other keys. We have so many keys. We play minor keys. We could play flat keys. For example, we have this. This is a key of E flat. So we could play E flat. How do we know it is E flat? We start by counting. We have A, B. This is the string A, B, C, D, E, F. So between D and E, we have this D sharp if you are highering the note, and we have it as E flat if you are lowering the note. So here we have. So here we have E flat, the key E flat, or it could be the key D sharp, depending on whatever you want to express. So we have E flat major. So when we play E flat major, that is a minor chord, and most likely the minor chords are accompanied by some of the minor chords and can be mixed with major chords. In this case, the E sharp major, we shall play it in the key of E flat, A flat, B flat. So we could play A flat, E flat, A flat, B flat. So how do we play? So here is where the songs like Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele, 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 Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. So we can add so many notes around the key and come up with a complete song. And let's say that the praise now goes higher. When the praise goes higher, are very key licks that you can play within the chord E flat. For example, so we could play that. We could also play this. You could play also the chords themselves. So you could play a lot of things around just to accompany the rhythm that you are at a particular point. You could also play this. Within the key of A flat, you could play a lot. Any guitarist in church, you will be able to know what you are playing, the key and the chord progressions, the scales you are using, and possibly you will be able to now be able to combine and write songs with relation to your own and identified chords. Thank you very much.